Hi, this is Thien-Lan. Following the survival guide we published a few days ago, we'd like now to show you what to pack in the suitcase for Imagine. First step, make sure you have a big suitcase because you need space to bring back all the swag. So you'll get a backpack. You'll get llamas, watchdogs, snow dogs, more backpacks, t-shirts, and probably power banks. So step 2, what do you really need? That power bank for sure. Your passport, a shawl or a jumper, because during the keynote session it's really cold. The aircon is turned to the max. And most importantly, your branded material. Brochures, business cards, stickers. And of course, because it's the US, not the same plugs as Europe, so bring your adapter. And regarding clothing, platform shoes, flat shoes, maybe some swimwear, and clothes for all the events. Imagine, networking nights, legendary nights, and the suitcases to out. Alright, so I guess that's probably it, and I'll pack much more in there. I'm really looking forward to seeing you again if I met you in the previous Imagine sessions, and also looking forward to making new friends. See you there. Bye.